think we know. You don't think we know. You don't think we know. You don't think we know, but I know you don't think we know. You don't think we know. You don't think we know. You don't think we know, but I'm woke. You don't think we know.
Hey, what's going on? What's going on, Divine Ones? Just want to show you something I do like every other day. Every time I come to the park, pretty much, I give to nature. I get like a bag of bird seeds and stuff like that, and then like I have fruit. I like pears and stuff. So I like when I'm done eating the pears, I throw it next to a tree. You know what I'm saying? The squirrels will eat it. We got the ducks right here. I don't know if you can see them, but yeah, it's a routine. They pretty much know. It's weird because they know what's going on, I guess. Like, they go to the spots where I put the food at. So yeah, it's like a routine. So I guess they feel connected with it now. They understand it. So I just keep it going every time I come out here to meditate and stuff like that. Yeah, so I pretty much put it around this area right here, around these trees. So I'll put it around like this tree, and I'll just go to like that tree, that one, the one that's by the bench right here, this tree, pretty much just the trees in this area. I'll lay it around the bottom part like this, and the squirrels, the ducks, as you can see, they're going to the next tree. The squirrels, they're eating right there, if you can see it. So they pretty much know. I've been doing this for a while now, so they pretty much know now. Like, okay, if I go right here, you know what I'm saying, it should be something to nibble on, So they just hitting all the trees, and the squirrels, they know. The birds actually know too. There's some ravens, crows, blue jays. I seen some red cardinals, I think, woodpeckers, woody woodpeckers. Like, there's different type of birds, they come around, they eat too. So yeah, just want to show you. And it's a nice view from here. I just chill right here, meditate, journal, think, All right, Divine. Sometimes they be just looking at me like they know who I am, or the one that's doing it. He be just sitting there, he or she just be sitting there just looking at me like, hey, what's up, man? And then they just go to get the nuts or whatever. But sometimes they just sit around and look like they know I'm here or something, because usually, they doing their own thing. They just doing their own thing, running around trees and doing stuff. But every once in a while, I see them just looking at me.